Hey guys, in today's video, we'll show you how you can fix your PS5 if it's not turning on. So there are a couple of fixes you can try. The first of which is manually rebooting your PS5. If your console is not turning on, you can try to hold down the power button for 15 seconds and the console will restart. If that doesn't work, another fix you can try is trying to insert a game disc. This is very self-explanatory as you just need to insert a game disc you own for your console. If this works, great. If not, another thing you can try is to unplug your PS5's power supply for 30 seconds. This helps your console reset and cycle the current and may help you restart your console. The last thing you can do is to try to use a different power cable. These aren't expensive and you can maybe borrow one from your friend. Well worth a try, so get a new set of power cables and try if this is the issue. Thanks for watching. Until next time.